Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain and Custom. In previous session we have understand the first part of this module. In that session we have tried to understand the details and job responsibility which pertain to these positions of export import manager, and in this session we will try to understand the balance job responsibility. Okay, so the Mitsubishi Electronic Automobile India's Private Limited require the manager for the export import. Okay, so the role and responsibility we try to understand. Okay, so we have completed some role and responsibility. In this session we are completing the balance. Okay, so now we'll start. Communication with vendor and supplier. Okay, so communication with vendor and supplier is important for this position. How we will communicate with the vendors? Vendor will supply the materials which is used in the manufacturing process. Okay, so this process can be the domestic or international, because some vendor may be available in India but some vendors available outside of India. So we have to communicate with these vendors and share our requirements. As the production line, they requires basically the materials which need to be make in the form of finished good. So to complete this process we need raw materials, so we need to ask for the this raw material from vendor and supplier. So the communication is required for the same. Okay, now how will this process will happen? For example, you are appointed for this job. Okay, and you have to communicate with the vendor for the managing the inventory. Okay, so for that you have to be analysis the line production and consumption of the daily inventory. Okay, we can say the daily supply. On the basis of that particular supply you can order for the next future forecasting. Okay, so you have to communicate and inform to a vendor that we require this material for this level and how much required for this area. So communication is very important for the job. Okay, not only communication, for the coordination also required for that. Just like any material is finished, then in such cases you need urgently material, then you have to communicate with vendor and supply that you need urgently, otherwise line will be halt. Okay, now second point, coordination with the internal department and follow ups order. Now is the, for example, you are the import and export, so your internal department working procedures are increated in such a way that you will work in right way as per SOP. Okay, so how this process will happen, we'll try to understand. For you are the manager of the export and import, so you have to arrange the logistic management. Okay, and the custom clearance documentation for that, for the export import procedure. So first, how you will receive the information? You receive information through the department wise. So sales team inform you regarding the new orders, and as per new orders the production team will prepare and manufacturing the finished good. Then packing team pack the good and dispatched. Okay, and then external companies. Okay, just like a CH agent will arrange the transport. Okay, so in this way we have to coordinate with the internal department and follow first the order. Okay, so this is the very important activities. Now another activity which is the assisting assisting selections, assisting the section in charge and function head of routine activities. Assisting the section in charge. So in the for this particular job, the mainly this process is controlled by the section in charge, and we need to assist them. Okay, so the activities which are the follow up and maintaining the record and vendor supplier report, all things need to be managed in right way. Okay, and they assist to the as section in charge. Function head routine the activities with whatever activities are routinely given or assigned, you need to be handled in right way. Okay, so the job profile which is asked by the Mitsubishi Electronic Automobile India is very important, and as per the job responsibility, the the work need to be done. Okay, if the person who have a knowledge regarding this particular job responsibility can go for the job. Okay, so we are going to end the session here, and we have learned some things which are important for the working procedure of the export manager job, export import manager of the job. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.